Morning, students. So today's topic is time domain analysis of RC and RL circuit. So we'll start with the RC circuit. So here there are two cases: charging of capacitor, discharging of capacitor. So we start with the charging of capacitor, then we compare this theory with the discharging of capacitor. So here you can see in the figure that voltage source is connected in series with the R and C. So R and C is in series with each other. Okay, here VR stands for voltage across resistor, VC stands for voltage across capacitor. Okay, see the position of the switch. The switch is connected with the supply voltage. Okay, so first of all, when we apply KVL in the circuit, we have V minus VR minus VC equal to 0. There are three voltages in the circuit: source supply voltage, voltage across resistor, voltage across capacitor. Okay. So, so V equals to VR plus VC. We know that VR is nothing but the voltage across resistor. It is given by current flowing through the resistor into resistance IR. So VR equals to IR. Okay. Now we know that I equals to dq by dt, and we can replace Q equals to CV, where Vc equal to voltage across capacitor. So we have final equation of voltage as V equals to R C dV by dt plus Vc. Okay. So V minus Vc equal to R C dV by dt. If we integrating both the sides of this equation, see here, by integrating both the sides, we have integration of 1 upon 1 minus Vc dVc equals to 1 of integration 1 upon Rc dt. Now multiplying minus with both the sides. So integration minus 1 upon V minus Vc into dVc, integration minus 1 upon Rc into dt. So now integrating with respect to Vc, we have log V minus Vc equals to minus T upon Rc plus K. Okay. In this equation, we know that when T equal to 0, Vc equal to 0, because in the case of charging of capacitor, at T equal to 0, voltage across capacitor is always remains 0. So we can put that values at T equal to 0, Vc equal to 0 in above equation. We have K equal to log V. So from equation 1 and 2, we have log V minus Vc equals to minus T by Rc plus log V. Now rearrange the equation. Log V minus Vc minus log V equals to minus T by Rc. Finally, we have V minus Vc upon V equals to e raised to minus T by Rc. Okay. And if we subject the Vc in that equation, we have Vc equals to V into 1 minus e raised to minus T by Rc. Okay. So this is the equation of voltage across capacitor when it is charging. Now we will find the current through the capacitor when it is charging. So basically we know that I equals to dq by dt, okay, Q equal to C into Vc, and by replacing that value of Vc into this equation, we have I equal to Vc d by dt 1 minus e raised to minus T upon Rc. So differentiate this equation, we have I equal to Vc upon Rc e raised to minus T by Rc. So finally we have I equal to V by R into V raised to minus T upon Rc. But V by R is the maximum current flowing through the capacitor is given by Im. So I equals to Im into e raised to minus T by Rc. Okay. So this is the equation of current flowing through the capacitor when it is charging. Now we will see the different second case, discharging of capacitor. Now this switch comes in this position. So supply voltage cancel out from the circuit. So this is the figure of discharging of capacitor. So now this supply voltage cancels from the circuit and circuit becomes this. Now in this circuit, see, apply KVL. So here only two voltages are there, VR plus VC equal to 0. Again, place IR in place of VR plus VC equal to 0. I equals to dq by dt. Q equals to C into V. Same as we have discussed in previous case of charging. Same way RC C dV by dt plus VC. So VC equal to minus RC dVC by dt. Again integrating both the sides, we have integration 1 upon VC dVC equals to integration minus 1 upon RC dt. So log VC equals to minus T by RC plus K. Now here when T equal to 0, VC equal to V, because when it is start to discharge, at that time voltage across capacitor is maximum. Here in case of charging at T equal to 0, voltage across capacitor is 0. So in case of discharging, when T equal to 0, VC equal to V, maximum voltage. So K equals to, here place VC equal to V in this equation and T equal to 0. So K equals to log V. Now substitute again that value in above equations. We have log VC equals to minus T upon RC plus log V. Rearrange the equation, log VC minus log V equals to minus T by RC. So log VC by V equals to minus T by RC. VC by V equals to e raised to minus T by RC. So VC equals to V into e raised to minus T by RC. This is the equation of voltage across capacitor in case of discharging. Now we will find the current through the capacitor when it is discharging. Same as previous, we have discussed I equals to dq by dt, Q equal to C into VC. So I equal to C dV by dt. Placed the voltage across capacitor, VC equals to V into e raised to minus T by RC. So finally we have I equals to CV minus 1 upon RC into e raised to minus T by RC. So I equals to minus V by R e raised to minus T by RC. Again, V by R is nothing but the maximum value of current flowing through the capacitor when it is discharging. So I equals to minus Im e raised to minus T by RC. Okay. So derivation of both the cases are nearly similar. Now we will see the graph of, see here, this is the charging of capacitor, voltage across capacitor versus time. So at T equal to 0, VC equal to 0 and it becomes maximum here. So this is the increasing voltage across capacitor in case of charging, and same way this is the graph of current through the capacitor versus time. It is decreasing. At T equal to 0 it is maximum, but it is decreasing exponentially. Okay. Same way, this is the graph of voltage across capacitor in case of discharging. At T equal to 0, VC is maximum. Now it is gradually decreases, exponentially decreases. Same way, in case of discharging, this is the graph of current versus time. Okay. So these four are the parameters: charging voltage, charging current, discharging voltage, discharging current in case of RC circuit. Now we will see the analysis of first order RL circuit. So same here, this is the RL circuit, this is voltage source and discharging of inductor. Okay, so the figure is same, only we have replaced the L in place of capacitor. So we will start with the charging of inductor. See here in this circuit, there are three voltages: V, voltage across resistor, and voltage across inductor. So from the KVL in this circuit, VR minus VL. VR equals to IR and VL equals to L di by dt. We know that the voltage across inductor is given by L di by dt. So V minus IR equals to L di by dt. Rearrange the equation 1 upon V minus IR di 1 upon L into dt. Now integrating both the sides, again we have integration 1 upon V minus IR di equals to 1 upon L integration dt. So log V minus IR equals to minus R by L t plus K. Now we know that when inductor is charging at t equal to 0, current flowing to the inductor I equal to 0. So replace t equal to 0, I equals to 0. We have K equal to log V. Substitute the equation 2 into equation 1. We have log V minus IR equals to minus R by L into T plus log V. Again rearrange the equation. Log V minus IR upon log V upon V equals to minus R by L into T. So V minus IR upon V equals to E raised to minus R by L into T. Okay. Now subject the I, current flowing through the inductor when it is charging. I equals to V by R 1 minus E raised to minus R by L into T. So I equals to Im bracket 1 minus E raised to minus R by L into T. So I equals to Im into 1 minus E raised to minus lambda L into T, where lambda stands for R by L. It is time constant of RL series circuit. Okay, so here if we subject this V, then it is the equation of voltage across inductor. Okay. Now this is the equation of current when inductor is charging, and this is the graph of current, charging current. First, at t equal to 0, current flowing through an inductor IL equal to 0. But after switch is connected, source is connected, the current through the inductor increases. Okay. So this is the derivation or analysis of inductor when it is charging. Same way we can discuss the discharging of inductor. So now the switch is connected in this position, so obviously source is disconnected from the circuit. Now again in this circuit we use the KVL. So minus VR minus VL equal to 0. So minus IR minus L di by dt equal to 0. So minus IR equals to L di by dt. Rearrange the equation 1 upon I di equal to minus R by L into di. Integrating both the sides, this is log I minus R by L into T plus K. Now we know that in case of discharging of inductor, the starting current, initial current T equal to 0 is maximum. It is given by V by R. So at T equal to 0, in this equation at T equal to 0, I equals to V by R. So K equals to log V by R. Now from equation 1 and 2, we have log I minus R by L into T plus log V by R. Rearrange the equation. Log I upon V by R equal to minus R by L into T. If we remove the log, I upon V by R equals to E raised to minus R by L into T. Subject I, so I equal to V by R into E raised to minus R by L into T. And if we replace lambda equals to R by L, so I equal to V by R into E raised to minus lambda t. So this is the equation of current when it is discharging of inductor, and this graph is given by following figure. At t equal to 0, current is maximum, I equal to V by R, and then onward it starts to decrease like this. Okay? So this is the discharging current of inductor. So you have to keep in mind that when inductor start to charge by connecting that RL circuit with the source, so initial current is 0. At t equal to 0, current flowing through the inductor is 0. Okay, and it becomes maximum when it is fully charged. Here, in case of discharging, the voltage source is disconnected from the circuit, and at t equal to 0, current through the inductor is maximum, and it is given by I equals to V by R. Okay, and in analysis of RC and RL circuit, we have to derive the equation of voltage and current in both the cases, charging and discharging. So this is all about the analysis of time domain analysis of RC and RL series circuit. Okay. Again, I repeat important terms related to this charging of capacitor. So when this RC circuit is connected with the source voltage, so voltage across capacitor at t equal to 0 equal to 0, and it becomes maximum after the fully charged capacitor. Same way here, so at t equal to 0, this voltage across capacitor is maximum. Okay, and then it starts to discharge. So this is all about time domain analysis of RC and RL series circuit. Thank you.